Hey guys, it's Emma at Wild Thorn, and I'm just here to talk about EFAs. My favorite skin supplement, literally the best supplement I can give anybody suffering from any skin condition. It's great for acne because it helps thin that oil flow in the skin so it's more regulated, so you're not having as many breakouts. It's great for psoriasis, red, irritated, inflamed skin because it's really literally working with the inside hydration of your body. It's full of omegas 3, 6, 7, and 9, which are essential for the body because you don't get those from your body doesn't create them. You have to ingest food in order to get those essential fatty acids. So you're getting them all in the supplements. Also, it's got sea buckthorn oil, which is just a really great oil that has over 100 nutrients and bioactive substances to help create the skin cell's membrane and the strength in that membrane so that you aren't seeing any negative effects from extrinsic things like sunshine and free radicals and whatever else is injuring your skin in ways that you can't even tell. This is a great supplement to add to any skin regimen, so pick it up at the studio when you book your next facial with me. I'll see you guys soon.